Here is an overview of Balloono, so you can make the world a wetter place. This is the configuration. That is a balloon and is made for playing with air only. Both sides have their own balloon, a target, an indicator light, both sides. The fencing is to keep the tennis balls from leaving the game, and there is a drop on the bottom about 5 inches so that the balls return to the shooter. When the target is hit, in this case it activates a valve that allows air to flow into the balloon, and the idea is to make enough target hits to either explode your balloon or explode your opponent's balloon. This is the configuration for the water and air version, so that the balloon is filled with water, then switched to air, at which point when it explodes by hitting a screw at the top of those straps, the water pours out onto the player standing here. This is the valve unit with solenoid valves that allow the air and water to pass to the balloons and allows the operator to switch between air and water. This is the control unit, where you can control the hits here no matter what's happening at the targets on the game. The Bose is for the sound effects. This side here is indicators. This is a potentiometer that allows the operator to establish the length of time water or air flows to the balloon based on one hit. This is an indicator. These are indicators to show you which side is currently operating. This is the off-on switch. These are all the connectors for the valves, the switches, and the lights. Here is where you can activate either side, the same as hitting the target. This allows the sound effects to be 2 different versions. And over here is the switch where you pick either air or water flowing to the target. When it's turned on, the sound of it plays a theme song, and then there are sound effects with each hit. Okay, the next video will go on to describe different functions and different equipment more fully.